Here we have an example of a travel and entertainment planning module for finance teams. As a budget owner, you can select the department that you want to budget for. Once you've verified that the status of the budget is open or unlocked, you can first evaluate any KPIs and top-line metrics that you've preset to get a picture of the state of your current T&E plan. As you choose to dig in more, you can break the charts down through the interactive legends or click through to view the underlying data directly from the chart elements. You can apply filters to the chart that allow you to further break down and analyze the data directly from the chart. You can also use input tables to plan trips and entertainment. In this example, let's plan a trip to Los Angeles. You can select your trip date, select the number of attendees, the number of days for your trip, and plan for other category expenses. We can see the expense updated in the linked dashboard elements in real time. All of these components are configurable and personalizable, so you can see your data in your style, cut by the components that are of the highest value to you. Once this plan is complete, we can move back up to the department control value to begin planning for the next department. Finally, as the owner of all of these budgets, we can evaluate which of these budgets still needs attention by looking at our Department Lock Status Budget module.